Welcome to MBBS Council. Gujarat State MBBS admission counseling process has begun. In this video, we will see last year cutoff tuition fees details for Gujarat State Counseling. Official MBBS BDS counseling website for Gujarat is medadmgujarat.org. The counseling for government medical colleges and private medical colleges in Gujarat, except one deemed university medical college, SBKS, are conducted through centralized allotment by Admission Committee for Professional Medical Education Courses, Gujarat. Last date for counseling registration is 29th November 2021. For Gujarat State quota, registrations are open only once. If you miss to apply for Gujarat State counseling, you will not be able to register during second round counseling. First, you need to purchase registration PIN by paying Rs 200 online. After registration, you need to take appointment for document verification. You need to visit the nearby medical college for document verification and to submit self-attested copies of the documents. If you apply for local quota in Ahmedabad Medical College or Surat Municipal Medical College, then you have to get local certificate from the dean of the respective medical college. On the counseling website, last year closing NEET cutoff marks are given for all medical and dental colleges. For government medical colleges, last year cutoff score was 583. For GMERS colleges, tuition fees is Rs 3 lakhs per year and last year cutoff score was 535. State government quota in private medical college, tuition fees in Gujarat ranges between 6 lakhs per year to 8 lakhs per year. Cutoff for the state quota was 471. For local quota, cutoff was 529. For management quota in private colleges, tuition fees ranges between 16 to 18 lakhs per year. And the cutoff for management quota was 393 last year. It is better to check last year reservation category rank cutoff for reservation categories compared to last year NEET score cutoff. This gives a better accuracy. You can find state rank cutoff as well as Gujarat state reservation category rank cutoff for all Gujarat medical colleges in MBBS Council app. Installation link for the app is given in the description below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any counseling doubts, comment below. See you in the next video.